Yt2Tweets AI is a new software that's just hit the market, and today I'm going to break down the 7 crucial things you need to know about it. Whether you're a marketer, content creator, or just someone looking to automate your social media presence, this software could be a game changer for you. So stick around to the end, because we'll be diving into exactly how this tool can supercharge your social media game. Now let's get straight into it. You can try Yt2Tweets AI completely free through the link in the description below, so don't miss out on that opportunity. Yt2Tweets AI is designed to help you automate your social media content creation, specifically focusing on Twitter. It allows you to generate relevant, attention-grabbing tweets based on any topic you provide. Whether you're managing multiple accounts or just looking to increase engagement on your own Twitter, this tool can help you save hours of brainstorming and typing. It's a true time saver for marketers. One of the biggest selling points of Yt2Tweets AI is its ability to craft tweets that are optimized for maximum engagement. The software uses an advanced AI model that understands not only keywords, but also the tone, length, and style that's proven to resonate with Twitter's audience. It doesn't just generate random text. It creates targeted content that speaks to your followers, increasing your chances of virality and boosting engagement. Another crucial feature you should know about is its customization options. You can specify the niche or the type of content you want, whether it's tech, lifestyle, finance, or something else entirely. It also integrates seamlessly with your existing social media scheduling tools, so you can set up your posts ahead of time and forget about it. This is perfect for marketers looking to automate their social media presence without sacrificing quality. The software is also very user-friendly, even for beginners. You don't need to be a tech expert to get started. The interface is clean, intuitive, and easy to navigate. You simply input your topic or keywords, and within seconds, the AI provides a set of tweet suggestions. From there, you can tweak them or let the software handle the fine-tuning. The AI is also continuously learning and adapting, meaning that over time, it becomes better at understanding what your followers respond to. The more you use it, the more customized your content becomes, making it even easier to hit the mark every time you tweet. One thing to note is that Yt2Tweets AI isn't just about generating tweets. It's also about optimizing them for higher reach. The software suggests hashtags, tags, and even the best times to post, ensuring your tweets get seen by as many people as possible. This feature alone can dramatically increase your Twitter engagement and follower growth. Lastly, let's talk about the pricing. Yt2Tweets AI offers a free version with basic features, and there are paid plans if you need more advanced options like extra customizations and more frequent content generation. But honestly, for most people, the free version offers a solid foundation to get started and see if the tool is a good fit for their needs. To sum it up, Yt2Tweets AI is an excellent tool for anyone looking to streamline their Twitter content creation. It saves you time, boosts engagement, and helps you grow your presence without the usual hassle. And remember, you can try it completely free from the first link in the description below. I've tried thousands of AI software tools, and Yt2Tweets AI is one of my top recommendations. If you want to dive deeper into the world of AI-powered marketing, check out my list of the best AI tools I've personally tested, linked below.